pass to De Los Santos. Block. And here you go, number 7 for Team. Nabitin pa. Oy! And here's number 16 for Team Santa Maria. Nakalusot. Floater. Bucket. First blood para Lopez. Stop. Pull up jumper. Bucket. Domingo. To the rim. Oh! Hinatid hanggang sa loob. Dito tayo ngayon sa semifinals game 2. Ilocos Sur Intertown para sa laban ng Candon at Santa Maria. And a jump ball between number 20. And it's ball out of bounds. Here we go. And the finish. 17. He holds the ball. He pass to De Los Santos. Range. Pass. Recover. And pass on De Los Santos. Lays. Basket and one. Here's number 12. Holds the ball. He passed the ball and number 5 attacks. A floater shot and a bucket for 2. And Domingo for the inbound. Here you go, Team Santa Maria. He passed to number 16. He fake pass. He dribble. He spins. And pass and ball is stolen. And here's number 12 all the way. Easy bucket. Here's number 12 for Team Candon. Between the legs dribble. Inside pass, recover and fires off the window back. And here's number 16. He passed to number 1, Domingo. Attacks to the middle. He pass on the corner. Kicks out. Open for 3, fires. Battle for the rebound, number 29. And a pass break. Here you go, number 12. Again, binit-bit. Supal-pal ang inabot. Number 16, dribbling the ball. And to the corner. Attacks, natapikan mula sa likod. A pass break. Here's number 12. Tinignan pa yung gwardiya. Nakakinta. And here's number 7. He stop. Bounce pass number 16. Attacks. Behind the back pass. Ball is stolen. And a pass break again. Here you go. And pass to De Los Santos. A fire and a bucket for 2. 15 to natin ang score natin mga idol. And kahapon, tambak ang Team Candon. And here you go, tatambakan naman siguro ngayon ang Team Santa Maria for their home court. And a good ball movement coming from Team Santa Maria. Launch on 3. He still won't go. And a pass break again. And De Los Santos binit-bit. And a good fourth. And here's number 16 for Team Santa Maria. Nakalusot. Floater. Bucket. First blood para sa Maria. And here's number 12. He attacks. He pass to De Los Santos. Block. And here you go, number 7 for Team. He recovers. Pinabitin pa. Oy! As dumila. And behind the back dribble, number 14 for Team Santa Maria. Almost stolen. Recovers. Domingo drives to number 7. He fires off the window. Money. The long pass to the corner, number 14. Drives. Sumingit. Basket and one. Yes, dribbling the ball. Tumapik sa ulo for setting the play. Pass to the corner. Fires at 3. Short. Rebound ngayon para sa Santa Maria. Pass break. Number 16. Pinabitin. Bucket for 2. Backdoor inbound for Team Candon. Ipass on the inside. Pinilit. Pasok yan. Number 16. Setting the play. Sumisinyas ng 2. Pass to the corner. He pass back. Number 16. He attacks. Natapikan. Here's Lopez. The pass break. And binitbit. So block. And here you go. Pass break for Team Santa Maria. Rondo step. No good. Hindi na ituloy. And here's number 14. He drives to the cave. And he kicks out. Fires at 3. Bang! Rip. And biglang tumira ng 3 si Lopez. End of the first quarter. And here's number 15. Pass to Lopez. Lopez, stop, pull up jumper, bucket. And here's number 16 to the corner, fires at 3, bang! And here's number 16, sumigsag, he kicks out, launches on 3 of the target, battle for the rebound, number 7, rebound the ball, he pass, and off the window, number 20. Pass mula sa logo, he pass to De Los Santos. De Los Santos di diskarte, atake to the foul and one. Number 16, pass to Tucson. Pass to number 16. To number 5. Pass back, number 16. Directo for 3. Bang! Here's number 20 to Lopez. Pass to the middle. Number 24. To the middle. Arellano. Drives. Sumagasa. Wala. And here's number 16. Pass to Directo. Wild open for 3. Bang! Anad. To 1 point lead. Para, huli. Gabuat. Gabuat, he attacks the defense. As to the rim. Baget for 2. And 13 seconds on the shot clock. Gabuat and Pinamekus. Pinasa sa loob. Itain. For 3. Bang! To for the inbound. He pass to number 7 to Gabuat. Gabuat. He stop. Launches on 3. Of the target. Rebound para sa Team Candon. He pass to Feitain. Pinasa pa. And no good. Put back shot and a bucket for 2. That's he pass to Directo. To Directo again. Directo pass on the corner. Number 7. And attacking the defense. Kicks out. Number 16 Gabuat. Of the target. And the rebound. And straight to the rim for the lead. Ball is stolen. Number 22. 3 versus 2. Pinasa sa gilid. Domingo short. And the second chance. The 1 to 33 ang score natin. Wild open for 3. Short. Rebound ngayon sa Team Candon. Gustong ihatid. Kicks out. One bounce. Pass on the inside. Oh! And here's Domingo to the rim. Oh, hinatid hanggang Domingo Sumegway. He stop. He pass to the middle. Received by Antolin. He spins. He between the legs. Crossover. Side step. Pinasa pa. Domingo off the window. Bucket for 2. And 15 seconds on the game clock. Uy, gabing lamok yun. Parang tao ka lagi ng lamok. Spins. Kicks out. Open for 3. He launch. Oh, and recover. And a lot by foul. Oh. And here's number 12. Pass to number 29. Feitain. Natapikan. He passed. Feitain. Crossover. Iniwan. Uli kinaliwa pa. What the move? Battle for the rebound. Feitain. Feitain to the rim. Block from behind. Backdoor inbound. Feitain. He pass to number 7. De Los Santos with the... And he's Gabuat. Natapikan. Feitain with the steal. To the rim. Oh, laging tinitignan. For the backdoor inbound. 11 on the shot clock. Libre. What the backdoor inbound. And here's Feitain. Pass to Del Lopez. To Antolin. Pass to the middle. Look. Ball is stolen. And here you go. Binitbit. Bucket for 2. And down to 5-point lead para sa Team Candon. Pass on the inside. De Los Santos. Kumaldag. Off the window. Bucket for... And here's Lopez. He crosses the mid lane. He asks for the play. De Los Santos holds the ball. He spins. He drives. Kicks out. Attacks. Lost the ball. And nauna na. Naka-quartales. Wala. And here's Feitain. He pass to De Los Santos. Pass on the inside. Antolin fakes. Nabitawan ang bola. And here you go. Number 14. Pinabitin. Sa 3. Bang! Tie game! Feitain. Long pass. Lopez. Taking it easy. He pass to Feitain. He launch on 3. No good. And oh! Wow! The jelly behind the pass! Lopez. Dumistancia. He stop. Launches on 3. Off the target. Battle for the rebound. And he's Directo, long pass, binit-bit, easy to Antolin. And he's Peita in the side step, lays short, put back shot, that's a good follow-up. Hindi natapos, nag-crossover, iniwan yung dalawa. Directo, pass to Gabuat, Gabuat kicks out, wide open for 3, short, rebound put back, wala pa rin. And number 4, Directo short. And a pass break, long pass for the lead, up by 1. And now up by 3 ang team Candon. Here's number 10, natapikan. He's stolen and here's Peitaren. Nabitawan yung bola. Number 18, Sumegway. Hook shot, bakit? Grabe na. Inbound. Sa gitna, alley-oop pass and a perfect finish. Pass to number 5, Domingo. And 9 seconds on the game clock sa 3. Short. Rebound. Mas malaki. And naunang dalawa. Oop. Last on the free throw. Bakit? Baseball pass. Naagaw. The last and final quarter. The crossover. De Los Santos, he fakes his spin. Almost lost. He recovers. He passed to Lopez. The sidestep floater shot. Bucket for 2. And a back 4-point lead for Team Candon. And his oops, tatapikan. And recover by Directo. He passed to the middle pull-up jumper. Bucket down to 2. Here's Lopez. He passed to number 29. Holds the ball. And he dribbled the ball. He's at the middle. He looks for the receiver. He passed to Lopez. Lopez, di diskarte. He stopped for 3. Bam! Nothing! And that 2 free throw goes in for Arellano. And here's Directo. He goes out, taking it easy. He passed to Domingo. Domingo drives to the middle. He passed to number 18. Domingo for 3. Bam! Dalagi ba? Here's Lopez. Lopez. Pass ay kay Lopez sa 3. Bang! The answer by What? Natapikan. De Los Santos. Nauna na. Lays. Bucket for 2. De Los Santos. To the middle. Picks. Bounce pass. Libreng-libre sa loob. Bucket for 2 of the glass. For the inbound. To Tucson. And here's Gabuat. Gabuat. He passed to number 7. Attacking the defense sa gitna. Domingo, open for 2, bucket, Domingo, Lopez, he kicks out, number 20, number 29, bumangga, pinilit, pumasok. Here's Antolin, Gabuat, Domingo, Domingo with the ball, pass back, Antolin, he picks, fires at 3, bang, 3 points. Number 29 again with the ball. He passed to Lopez. Looking for the clock. And hinatid. Bumangga mula sa labas sa loob. And here's number 16 Gabuat to Antolin. Antolin di distansya. Pass to number 16 Gabuat. Corner sa 3. Domingo. Bang! Another 20. To Lopez for Team Candon. Sa 3. Bang! Bumawi! And it's number 16 Gabuat. Sa 3 ulit Domingo. No good. Rebound. Mapupunta. Kay 20. Here's Lopez again. Nauna. Lace. No good. Rebound. Fade away. On go. Battle for the rebound. Recover fast. Bucket for 2. And the long pass. And here's Antolin. Pinabitin. Wala. Sa 3. Domingo. Bang! Sumak. And down to 6-point lead. For Team Candon. Natapikan Lopez. Recover. Spin move. Pass on the inside. Libre. Finding down. Pass to number 16 Gabuat sa 3. Short. Rebound. Domingo bounce pass. Nag-dive para sa bola. Oop. And here you go, Lopez again. Lopez, what si Rep? Dinasalay Santan. Bakit for two? And the backdoor inbound. Nag-wrestling yung dalawa. Pass to the corner. Directo stop for three. Off the target. Rebound. Oops. Directo. To the middle. Wild open for three. Bang! 3 ball. 7-point lead. Uy. Directo with the ball. He pass to number 17. Sa tres. Domingo. Bang! Another. And he pass. Number 17. Lost. Recover. Wild open for three. Bang! Basket and one! And another on the free throw. In and out. And seconds to play. 50 seconds. Here's Lopez. Lopez iniwan yung dalawa. Pumunta sa gitna. He set the play, taking it easy. Crossover. Be out. Another crossover. He attacks. Floater. No good. Up. Recover. And seconds to play. Feitain. 25 seconds. Attacks fast. Oh, in and out. And rebound. Not a pick. Pinasas for the tie game. 16 seconds on the final quarter. And we are tied at 63. And here's Lopez. They set the ball. Taking it easy. Here's Lopez. 9 seconds. 8 seconds. 5 seconds. Attacks Lopez. Floater. No good. Put back. Wala. And it's an overtime. Feitain. And ball possession for Team Candon. Lee's bucket for two. Best blood for the overtime. Nagaw. Gabuat. Basket. And for the inbound, the long pass is stolen again. Sa loob. Direkto. Naagawan ng Candy. Is a pass break. Feitain. Pinaso. The good pass and the good finish. And it's Domingo. Biglang pumukol sa tres. Too strong. Rebound. Pinas break. And behind the back. Oop. Nabitawan ng bola. Saves the ball. Taking it easy. Feitain. 6 seconds on the shot clock. Bounce pass. And hinatid na naman. Spin hook shot. Bucket! And is Uy. Basket, no basket. And here's Gabuat. Shot clock down to 10. Sa tres. Bang! Three lead. Feitain. He attacks. Almost lost. Ang gandang pasa. And a good finish. Gabuat. Natapikan sa likod. Gabuat. Nakalusot. To the rim. Bucket. Gabuat. And here's number 12. Bumaba pa rin. Ayun o, tumataas yung binti. Crossover iniwan. Floater shot off the glass. No good. And last on the free throw. 1 point lead. Tie game. And here's Lopez. Lopez sa tres. Bang! For the lead. And we still attacks. Floater. Short. Rebound. Oop. Here's Lopez. Dive for the ball. Jump ball. Bang 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 sabi ni ref. Bang 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 daw. Bang bang bang. For the inbound. 21 seconds. He kicks out. Here's Domingo. Not up. Kicks out. Corner 3. Shot. Rebound still sa tres. Shot. Rebound, put back. Bounce. 1-point lead. First on the free throw. Bucket. 2-point lead. Last on the free throw. 0.5 seconds. Bucket. 5 seconds. Oops. Nakagaw. And for the win. Congratulations, Team Candon.